There are several ways to connect your HyperX headset to your Xbox One console. We'll cover the most common and effective connection methods. The most common method is using a 3.5mm direct connection. Simply plug your headset's cable into the controller's headset jack, which is highlighted here in green. This connection supports both audio output and microphone input through a single cable. Most HyperX wired models use this standard 3.5mm connection. For wireless HyperX headsets, you'll use a different connection method with a USB wireless dongle. For wireless HyperX headsets, plug the USB wireless dongle into any USB port on your Xbox One console. The headset will typically pair automatically when powered on. Important note, make sure your Xbox One controller has a 3.5mm headset jack. This is standard on newer controllers, but may be missing on older models. Recent Xbox system updates have improved headset compatibility, and HyperX has released firmware updates for popular models to enhance Xbox One integration. HyperX has released firmware updates for models like the Cloud Alpha S and Cloud Flight S to improve Xbox One integration. Some premium setups may also use optical audio connections combined with USB for enhanced features. After connecting your HyperX headset, you need to configure the audio settings on your Xbox One. Navigate to Settings, then General, then Volume and Audio Output. In the Volume and Audio Output settings, locate the Headset Format option. Select Windows Sonic for the best spatial audio experience with your HyperX headset. The headset chat mixer allows you to balance between game audio and chat audio. Slide the control left to hear more game sounds, or right to prioritize voice chat. To test your microphone, navigate to Settings, Account, Privacy and Online Safety, then Xbox Live Privacy. This is where you can verify your microphone is working properly. Enable mic monitoring to hear your own voice through the headset. You can also adjust the microphone sensitivity in these audio settings to ensure optimal voice clarity. Most HyperX headsets feature convenient mute functions. You can flip the microphone up to mute or use the physical mute button. An LED indicator typically shows when the microphone is muted. For optimal audio performance, look for HyperX headsets with a frequency response of 15 Hz to 25 kHz and an impedance between 32 and 65 ohms. These specifications ensure the best compatibility with Xbox One controller power output. Your HyperX headset is now fully configured for Xbox One. You have spatial audio enabled, chat mixer balanced, microphone tested, and all mute functions ready to use for an optimal gaming experience.